Welcome back to another video on Mighty Machines. If you thought you've seen every machine in the world, wait till you get to know these 6 strong and reliable machines that will absolutely blow your mind. Sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed. The Flygal KDS 270 Muck control is part of the professional chain spreader series made with single-axle, tandem, or tridem chassis, and has a loading volume of 10 meters cubed to 32 meters cubed. This specific machine has a total capacity of approximately 21 meters cubed. Designed and made with fine-grained steel, the sidewalls and floors are guaranteed to be of high quality, as well as its chassis, running gear, and axles. This machine also has hydraulically sprung drawbar as a standard for its spreaders, while the tandem and tridem has a rotating drawbar. Moreover, in the DLG test, the Flygal KDS 270 Muck control also garnered positive results and feedback in all 4 of its products like the Muck, compost, poultry litter, and digestate. It's quite challenging to work in unimproved and muddy yard conditions, so many turn to the reliable Wagner L490 log stacker. It's part of the 4-wheel drive line with models having 60,000 to 160,000 pounds lifting capacity. Its axles are also rear oscillating, while the machine itself is capable of remaining directly behind the load, which results in excellent stability with almost no loss in capacity. This is all possible since the L490 log stacker was engineered to have minimal shifts in the center of gravity. Operators are also given the freedom to disengage the rear axle when seasonal ground conditions improve, leading to reduced axle wear and improved fuel economy. Some of its features include faster hoist speeds, ground-level service bay, force-cooled wet disc brakes, easy-access cooler bays, and much more. The L490 log stacker also boasts of its 3 times longer tire life, which contributes to a 2 to 3 times longer lifespan too. When working with blasted rocks, armor rock up to 2 meters, iron ore, or any other quarry materials, it's best to turn to the Maxitrans AZMEB door side. This is a fast door side tipper with a single double-acting hydraulic cylinder positioned at each end of its bowls. Designed with simple locking systems and extra strong components, this machine is proven to be very useful and dependable. Even when the machine is on the move, it can tip quickly without any leaks thanks to its over-center locks that stops the door from opening and its unique rubber hinge. The same rubber hinge also has additional capabilities such as its resistance to product buildup and corrosion, no grease requirement, and shock-absorbing ability. Offering effective, safe, and reliable solutions, the Movello Oy is one of the top performers in the field of moving heavy cargo and goods. Started in 2016, this Finland-based manufacturer easily became a major player in the translifter and cassette trailer market for its products. 30 years later, they are still known to offer extremely high transport efficiency, low cost, and long-lasting robust machines which require little maintenance. One of their product lines, the Translifters NT series, consists of forklift-attached translifters on single bogie for weights up to 50 tons with regular terminal tractor-supported translifters that can carry up to 130 tons. The range tops out with I-series translifter capable of handling 220 tons, which is ideally aimed at the extreme robust and heavy-duty steel industry. Up next, we have the C2 container unloader from the Copal handling systems. This works by unloading loose stacked boxes and bags from containers at such high speeds. Then, these are placed onto a conveyor belt which feeds the product into a telescopic conveyor belt. The conveyor belt automatically follows by correcting height differences. The system corrects height differences between the container and forwarding floor by lifting the frame of the C2 system. It's also fitted with transverse transmission that allows drive from dock to dock. The Copal C2 uses a system that can be connected directly to an existing logistics system. Aside from that, it has an advanced lifting technology that guarantees the lifting of up to 100 kilograms of material every time. To fit the standards on safety, This machine is fitted with laser sensors to detect and correct human errors. The cameras attached to it also enable the operators to see the full picture of the process in one glance. The operator can control the system with 2 joysticks while seated in his comfortable seat. A powerful, compact, and economical machine, this is the RA707 by BMD Brecheranlage. The power of this machine is matched by the economical drive bought by its John Deere engine. With 3-axle roll-off tipper dimensions and weight distribution, they can now legally be transported. This also has a much larger bunker complete with low loading height and sidewalls made of hardocks that are hydraulically foldable. Following only one central lubrication point, the entire system has a very organized way of running. The crusher discharges chute transversely under the crusher to prevent any damage to the conveyor belt due to reinforcing iron. Not only is this machine easy to maintain, but it also has a drive unit with soundproofing hood, electrical center with control, and a system that displays any detected errors with codes, thus having low transport costs and short assembly time. That's all for the 6 machines that will absolutely blow your mind. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments section what you want to see next. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss out on these amazing machines. See you in the next video.